In this video, I'll show you how to import a CSV file into PeopleSoft database using a file layout. We will start by creating a record, which sets up the data structure to store the data. Next, we will set up a file layout to align the CSV data with the database fields. We will then generate an app engine to automate the import process for the CSV data. After that, we will run the app engine to execute the batch process and load the data into the database. Finally, we will query the database to verify the CSV file has been processed correctly. Let's get started. First, we will create the record on PeopleSoft. Navigate to File, New, and select Record. We will add fields like ISBN, title, author, and publish date. Click Insert on the toolbar, then click Field. Search for the fields, then add them to our record. Save the record. We will then build our record. Click Build, Current Definition, and check off Create Table, then click Build. Second, we will create the file layout based on the record. Go to File, New, and select File Layout. Select Insert, then Record, and look for our record, and click Insert. Save the file layout. Double-click on the file layout name and specify that the file that you're consuming is a CSV file. And click OK, and then Save. Third, we will auto-generate the app engine. Click on the Preview tab. Set the file name to our CSV file. Select the books rec as the segment name. Click the AE button and provide the name for your program. It's always best practice to disable restarts. So we will click on the properties for this application engine. Then we will go to the Advanced tab and then disable restarts. And save. We will now run the App Engine program. Click the Run Program button and select Output Log to File. And then click OK. And lastly, we will verify the data in the database. Open SQL Developer and run the following query. This will select all the data from the table. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.